Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So to add friends, first open Monopoly Go, then go to the bottom right corner and tap the Friends button. So this will bring up the Friends and Family screen. So you will see a friend code on this screen, and you can copy it and send it to your friends who already play Monopoly Go. So once they use this code, they can add you as a friend. Another way to add friends is by using an invite link. So just tap the green invite button at the bottom of the screen here, and then just tap the orange invite button. So this will open a window. So from here, you can select the copy icon right here to copy your invite link. So you can send this invite link to your friends through platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Discord. So when they click the link, they can join you in the game. And that's pretty much it. That's how to add friends in Monopoly Go. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.